sa daming events ko pong inaatinan. No? Mas gustuhin ko po palaging umaatin sa inyo. You are the most organized. You are the most energetic. Ibang klase. Pag automation ka, totoong dahil.
I'm so proud to all of you guys, to all of us, to our team, because, you know, we overcome the challenges, the obstacles this year. Alam natin lahat, grabe yung pinagdaanan natin this year, especially after pandemic, nag-adjust tayo kasi nag-face-to-face na. For sure, naranasan nyo yung kunting transition. Tama? From December, January. Pero again, nag-launch tayo ng HOS 2.0.
May isang tao na pinaka-sasalamatan ko outside my family and my wife, si Coach Albert talaga yan.
Sugod pa sa pinakauna na kong income nga 500 and pagkaroon na agad ka diya permi.
Na kung ano man yung nangyari din sa akin at sa amin. Hindi lang ako magiging loyal sa team, but sa company po natin, Empowered Consumerism.
Kahit anong mangyari, nandito lang kami. Kahit anong mangyari, hindi ka namin dito iiwan.
Na kahit anong mangyari, nasa likod mo kami palagi. Hindi ka namin iiwan at ipaglalaban ka namin kahit napatayan. Tama ba?
We strive hard for excellence. Let us never forget to celebrate, you know, and to give time, the effort that we have put in. Kaya, cheers everyone.